but I think.
Oh yeah, we can't fish that. There's a person on here.
Yeah. Oh, I just got bit.
Are you sure? 'Cause it's kind of grass.
No, that was definitely a bite. I mean, I guess it could be me bouncing off of rocks. No.
Oh. Snuck at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Pretty good size one too. Oh, there's one following it.
Yeah, just two following it. Yes, let's go! Yours is bigger.
I know. There's another one too. Jason, that's see the video. Jason, this is gonna be a while. Jason, I might need help.
All right.
This is like the first snook I've caught like by myself.
I want to get a picture of both of them. I think it's huge. Oh, not that huge, but yeah. Or you can get down there.
I got the bigger one.
I know.
I saw one following it and I just went over there to go smite him. Alright, what should I do?
Can you hop?
I don't think I can flip them.
I know, hop down there. That's what I'm saying.
Oh boy. Come to Papa.
Let's go!
Smoke.
Fist bump. Fist bump.
Mine's a little bit bigger.
Oh, just a little bit, like twice as big.
Oh, he wasn't coming off.
Yeah, he's feisty. All right, you ready?
I wanted to do a video.
Oh, all right.
Not my phone.
Mine's gonna go back. Catch the bike? I think bikes are tasty. Good food. Fish? Yeah.
That was right where I thought they'd be. He's not that big, it just feels
No.
stronger with the current.
Yeah.
You think I can flip him up?
Yeah, flip him. You gotta get better at flipping. Yeet, full sends. Not a bad one. Do you want a picture or are you gonna throw them back?
I'll just take a picture of it.
See?
It'll be okay if it
Yeah, you can drop him.
Should I face him, his head up straight?
Yeah, head down. Well, make his head fall in the water first. There he goes. Huge, sir.
What is it? Oh my gosh. What is it?
A lizard fish.
Yeah? That's what that is?
Pretty sure that's what that is.
What's the point? Oh.
Lizard fish are tasty.
Probably not. I wonder if he's still there and if I could catch him again. I'm not going through that.
I would hope they're not that dumb.
I don't think they're dumb. They're blinded by aggression.
That is not a lizard fish. Get the net.
Jason, we don't have it. That's long. What is that? There. What is that? What the hell?
It's a gar.
What? Aren't we a little bit saltwater for that? Jason, how are we gonna land this thing?
I don't know. I don't want to lose my shrimp though.
You want to take them all the way over? You want to take them all the way over, Jason?
I don't know.
There's no way we can.
It's a big old gar.
Oh man, look at this one, man.
I want to see if I can get the hook out. Yes, I'm surprised he actually ate that shrimp like all the way.
What kind of gar is that? It's like a.
Spotted gar?
Yeah, we don't have pliers, by the way.
Could be a Florida gar. I had pliers, but
Are you sure? Your scissors are in the water.
no. My multi-tool pliers.
Okay.
But
Are they gonna be long enough?
I don't know. I'm walking my pet gar.
I love walking on that gar.
Well, we'll see if that.
Okay, we're recording.
Yes. Stop.
I am. Wow, okay, it's good enough. You're gonna have to get over the. Oh my god. That was insane. It broke me off. Is that snook?
Yeah. But we have a long time before we have to actually be back at the hotel.
Yeah, but we don't have to fish as much on the way back. Also, this is closer to the size of
Ladyfish! Or it's a baby tarpon, I don't know.
it'd be cool after baby carpet. Not being honest.
They're probably, I think it's a ladyfish.
Are they ladyfish?
Yeah.
Ladyfish?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Do they have teeth?
I don't know. Yeah.
New species?
Technically, yeah. Wait, do you have teeth? I can lip him. Oh!